Okay, good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed up to fifth problem. Now, sixth problem. The zero of the polynomial minus 3x by 11 plus 1 is dash. Okay? Minus 3x by 11 plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 3x by 11 equal to minus 1. Minus 1. Minus minus both are cancelled. Then x equal to 11 by 3. 11 by 3. So, the zero of the polynomial x equal to 11 by 3. So, actually what is meant by zero of the polynomial? So, for what value of x? For what value of x? The polynomial becomes 0. The polynomial becomes 0. Okay, what value we got? X 11 by 3. So, minus 3 by 11. What is the x value? Here 11 by 3 plus 1 equal to plus 1 equal to 3 cancel, 11 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So for x equal to, for x value 11 by 3, for x 11 by 3 satisfy the given polynomial. So the zero of the polynomial is x equal to 11 by 3. So first of all we have to, the given polynomial equal to 0. The plus value becomes minus. Minus minus cancel. X equal to 11 by 3 by the transposition. Okay? Now next. And seventh one. 2 by 5 is a zero of the polynomial, is a zero of the polynomial p of x, then p of x equal to dash. Okay, now zero of the polynomial is given. Zero of the polynomial is given, and 2 by 3. The zero of the polynomial equal to the zero of the polynomial of p of x equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Okay. Then 2 by 5 equal to x, 2 equal to 5x, and 5x minus 2 equal to 0. 5x minus 2. Okay. 5x, so we have to take the zero of the polynomial. Take x. 2 by 5 equal to x. 2 by 5 equal to, take 2 by 5 equal to x by the transposition 2 equal to 5x. 5x minus 2 equal to 0. So by substituting x value, what is the x value here? 2 by 5 minus 2 equal to 2 by 5 minus 2 equal to 5 cancel. 2 minus 2 0. So that's why 2 by 5 equal to 0. 2 equal to 5x. 5x minus 2 equal to 0. So the p of x, then p of x equal to 5x minus 2. 5x minus 2. Okay. Next, eighth one, zero of the polynomial zero of the polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, take p of x equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Then x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize. The middle term should be written like 1 into 6. 1 into 6 means 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. That means x square. 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. X come. X is the common in both terms. X minus 3 and 2. 2 is the common. X minus 3 equal to 0. Now in both, which term is the common one? X minus 3 is the common one. X minus 3 equal to x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 5x is written as minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. The common x minus 3. Again, here in both terms, take as 2 as a common, x minus 3. In both terms, x minus 3 is the common one. Here x minus 2. Then x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. Then x equal to 3 and x equal to 2. So the zeros of the polynomials, the zeros of the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial, yes, equal to x equal to 2 and 3. Okay, the zeros of the column p of x equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. P of x equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. In both x come x minus 3. 2 is the common one, x minus 3. In both x minus 3 is the common one and x minus 2 equal to 0. Then x minus 3 equal to 0. Then x equal to 3. X minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to 3. So the zeros of the polynomial x equal to 2 and 3. Okay, next problem. Matrix type, column ninth one. So the value of the polynomial, the value of the polynomial for x cube minus 3x square minus 6x plus 2 h x equal to 1 is okay. Now then 4x cube minus 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 4 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 2. And 4 ones are 1 cube means 1. 4. 3 1 square means 1 minus 3. 6 ones are 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. 4 plus 2 6 minus 9. Okay, 6 minus 9 minus 3. Okay, the value of the polynomial 4x cube minus 3x square minus 6x plus 2 in x equal to 1. So substitute x equal to 1, we got minus 3. Okay, next problem. The linear polynomial, this is A. B. Linear polynomial is linear polynomial equal to, what is the linear polynomial? 2x plus 13. 2x plus 13 is the linear polynomial. And C, biquadratic polynomial is biquadratic polynomial is, what is the biquadratic polynomial is here? X power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x plus 7. So this is the biquadratic polynomial. X power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x plus 7 is the biquadratic polynomial. And the standard form of the polynomial is, so it is in order, so we have to write in order: x power 4 plus 9x cube plus 8x square plus x minus 7. Okay. Now 10th one. A cubic polynomial can have at most dash zeros. How many zeros? A cubic polynomial can have at most 3 zeros. 3 values. Quadratic 2 and 2 zeros. Cubic 3 zeros. Quadratic 2 zeros. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic. Quadratic has 2 zeros and cubic has 3 zeros. Okay. Now and 11th one, m square plus root mn plus n square and m square minus root mn plus n square. Okay, it is simplified. Okay, we have to, these are the two products. Okay, this is rearrangement of m square plus n square plus root 2mn square bracket and m square plus n square minus root 2mn. Okay, bracket This is a plus b, a plus b, a minus b. Compare a plus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. That means a square minus b square means m square plus n square whole square minus root 2mn whole square. That means this is used here a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Which formula use here? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay, this is a plus b whole square. Again, a plus b whole square, m square whole square plus n square whole square plus 2 m square n square minus 2mn 2m square n square. Why? Because this is a plus b. Here also a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square. A means m square. B means n square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. Plus 2m square n square minus 2m square n square. Both are cancelled. What is the remaining one? M power 4 plus n power 4. Okay. This product we have to calculate. This is m square plus n square plus root mn. M square plus n square minus root 2mn. A plus b into a minus b. A square, a plus b. This is a plus b, a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Okay. This is again a plus b whole square. M square whole square plus n square whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2m square n square. A means m square, b means n square. So what is the product? M power 4 plus n power 4. Okay. Now 12th one. Factorize 25a cube minus 16a. 25a cube minus 16a equal to, okay, a is the common one and 25a square minus 16 equal to a into, this is modified as 5a whole square minus 4 whole square. Okay, a into, this is a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. That means 5a plus 4, 5a minus 4. What formula we have to use here? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. That's all. Again, what is the here? 25a square is written 5a whole square minus 16 written as 4 whole square. 5a plus 4, 5a minus 4. A square minus b square. So this is the a into 5a plus 4, 5a minus 4. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. now. Okay students, this is the class of the today. I will tell you later.